Hi there, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be taking you through polynomial functions. I have two problems here for us to solve. The first one is we should find derivatives of negative x to the power 5, negative 8 multiplying x to the power 5 plus the square root of 3 multiplying x to the power 3 plus 2 pi x squared minus 12 as well as this, right? So if this is the first time being on my channel, kindly subscribe and please visit all my videos so that you get understanding of calculus 152 or calculus with analysis. So let's see. So in order to differentiate a polynomial function, it's very simple. A polynomial function is generally represented as e to the power xn, right? So the derivative of every polynomial function f of x is always equal to f prime of x is going to give us, you simply multiply the power n here by the entire function. So you have nax, then you subtract 1 from the power what n, so n minus 1, right? So you're going to use this to solve these two problems. So let's take our first problem. Negative 8x to the power 5 plus the square root of 3x to the power 3 plus 2 pi x to the power 2 minus 12. So how do I solve this? Each component will be differentiated separately, okay? So you take the first one, differentiate, second one, differentiate, third, and the final one. When I take the first one, as I did here, I multiply the power by the entire function. So 5 times negative 8 is what? Negative 40. Then you bring your x. You subtract 1 from the power, giving us what? 4. Plus, here too, the power is 3. We multiply 3 by the entire function. So 3 root 3 multiplying x, and I subtract 1 from the power, which is 2. I multiply 2 by the entire function, right? So the power here is 2. So 2 times what? The entire thing. That will give me 4 pi x to the power 2 minus 1, which is 1. We don't write 1. Then the derivative of any constant is 0. So the derivative of this whole function is giving us this. Let's try the second one. 2x to the power 51 plus 3x to the power 12 minus 14x squared plus the third root of 7 multiplying x plus root of 5. So with this one, I simply do as we're doing. So the power here, I'll multiply it by the entire thing. So I'll have 51 by 2. That'll give me 102. X to the power 51 minus 1, 50. Okay. Then for this one, I'll multiply 12 by the entire thing. So I'll get 3 times 12, which is 36. X to the power 12 minus 1, which is 11. Okay. Then minus 14 times 2, right? That is 28. X to the power 2 minus 1, which is 1. We don't write it. Then plus, this is the third root of 7, right? So for the third root of 7, we simply maintain it as what? The constant. Because the power of x is 1. So 1 times everything, we get third root of 7 itself. Then the x itself, we subtract 1, giving us 0. So when you differentiate any polynomial function being the form of x, you get 1. So you get a constant, okay? So here, I'm only going to get third root of 7. Then root 5 is a constant, so the derivative is 0. For that reason, the derivative is simply this answer, okay? Thank you for being with me in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.